Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Face ID on Roblox links your device camera to account security and login. It uses biometric verification to speed login while protecting your account from casual access. You must enable Face ID in Roblox settings using an iOS or Android device that supports facial authentication. Face ID replaces password entry for quicker, secure logins on supported devices. Keep your device screen clean and camera unobstructed for reliable recognition. Face ID does not share facial images with others or with Roblox servers directly. Open the Roblox app and sign into your account before changing security settings. Tap the three dots, then tap Settings to find the Face ID option in Security. Toggle Face ID on and follow on-screen prompts to register your facial data with the device. The app will ask you to look at the camera and slowly turn your head for a full scan. You can require Face ID for purchases, requiring device authentication each time you buy items. If Face ID fails, use your account password to sign in and re-register Face ID. Re-registering clears the old scan and often fixes recognition problems caused by appearance changes. Keep your device OS updated and ensure the camera can see your full face without hats or masks. Clear app cache or reinstall Roblox if issues persist after re-registration and OS updates. Disable Face ID in settings if you sell or give away your device to protect account security and privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.